channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys one of my favorite beef recipes, and it's called, I think they call it like Mongolian beef, or like in the Asian restaurants it's beef and broccoli. It kind of tastes the same, but when you make it at home it's going to taste even better because you could put more of what you like and less of what you don't like in there. So if you're interested in watching this recipe, stay tuned. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this ginger and I'm going to peel it, and then I'm going to put it in my mincer and mince it. But before I do that, I have this beef soaking in here. I'm going to go ahead and wash it off with some vinegar and dry it up a little bit, and then I'm going to cover it up with some cornstarch and put them in the fridge. So you're going to need canola oil, you're going to need sesame seed oil, you're going to need half a cup of soy sauce. I actually didn't use half a cup of soy sauce. I diluted it, so I did mostly water, and then I just mix it with some soy sauce. And then you're going to need brown sugar. You could do half a cup, you could do less. You also need some cornstarch, some minced garlic, some minced ginger to taste as much as you want, and some green onion or chives. And this is the beef. You're going to need some beef chunks. So I'm going to add some cornstarch to the beef chunks. Just use enough cornstarch to coat every chunk of beef. And then you just mix it. I didn't use enough cornstarch, so I went ahead and I got a little bit more and I added it. And then you're just going to go ahead and put that in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Right here, I just went ahead and minced all the garlic. And I tried to use the garlic mincer to mince the ginger, but that didn't work out too good, so I advise you to just chop it up really small and it should be fine. So you're going to heat up your pan. I added the canola oil and I added the sesame seed oil, and then I'm going to add the minced garlic, and I'm also going to add the minced ginger. Then after I cook that up a little bit, I go ahead and I add half a cup of water, and then I go ahead and I add my half a cup of soy sauce, and then I go ahead and I add my brown sugar, and then I just cook that up really good and I turn it off. Bring it to a boil and then turn it off. Okay, right here I go ahead and I start to sear my beef chunks on both sides just until they are nice and brown. The oil was jumping all over the place, so just be very careful and make sure to cover it up so it doesn't make a mess all over your stove. And this is how it looks after I brown both sides. I go ahead and I put it in my Instant Pot with the mixture, and I go ahead and I peel some carrots just to add some more flavor. I don't even know why I wasted time chopping them like this because they cooked down and you couldn't even see them. I overcooked them in there, but it's okay. We just did it to add flavor. So this is the beef chunks. I'm just adding them to the Instant Pot along with the sauce, and then the carrots and some onions and whatever else you'd like to add. That's all I'm adding to it, and then I'm just going to cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes in the Instant Pot, and you're gonna see how it comes out. So while the beef is cooking in the Instant Pot, I just go ahead and I chop up some green onions, and I'm going to use it as garnish. Okay, and I opened it up and this is how it's looking. I went ahead and I did a taste test to make sure that it's nice and soft, and it was so delicious. Oh my goodness, it was so good. And I went ahead and I cooked some rice to go with it. Ooh, and your girl was trying to be fancy. Oh my god, I'll try to be fancy. And this is how I served it to the kids, and they were like, mommy, it tastes so good. You are such a great chef. Yes. Yeah, so this is the final thingamajig. This is the final recipe, and it was so delicious and so good. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. I do randomly share cooking videos because I do like to cook. So if that's something that you like too, be sure to let me know in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe for more. Bye!